Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Text.io. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in textio.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Text.io website. Now, from the homepage, in order to sign up and create a new account, you will need to tap on the Request a Demo button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it, and you will be able to proceed with the registration. Just choose the product that you want to request for registration, and then tap on the OK button. You will then be asked to choose your system. You can click on the drop-down menu and choose any option that you prefer. If you're not sure, you can click on I'm not sure to proceed forward. Then you will be asked to select for a package that you would like to choose. Just click on your appropriate option and then you will be asked to select the number of employees. Click on the employee number and then you will be asked to select your pricing. Click on the yes button and now you will be asked to enter your work email. Just go ahead and type in your email address that you use for your work and then you will be allowed to fill up your basic information after that. Once you fill up your basic information, you will receive a verification email within your work inbox. Just click on the email that you receive and then you will need to wait to be shortlisted. Once you receive a notification within your email that you have been shortlisted and your demo has been granted, after that you can set up your password for your new account and start using Text.io right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Text.io. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.